People have been asking me this question, sir, BSchool join कर रहे हैं, अंदर जाके क्या करना चाहिए? मैंने आज मैम को पकड़ा. Ma'am is the director of a great business school called as Soil, the School of Inspired Leadership. What are the top 5 things आपको लगता है कि यार ये बच्चे अगर कर लें तो जिंदगी सेट हो जाएगी इनकी? Hi everyone and hi Vidya ma'am, welcome on board.
Thank you, Rahul. How are you?
I'm doing absolutely fine. Boys and girls, people have been asking me this question, sir, BSchool join कर रहे हैं, अंदर जाके क्या करना चाहिए? मैंने आज मैम को पकड़ा. Ma'am is the director of a great business school called as Soil, the School of Inspired Leadership. और मैम का experience is 22 plus years. She's qualified for the civil services round number 2 तक. Ma'am has been a math scholar throughout her life, NCC school captain. Me and ma'am were chit-chatting a lot. By the way, President of India से भी मैम को award मिल चुका है. Ma'am, it's really honor to have you on board.
Thank you so much, and it will be real fun, telling you about what I know a little bit.
मैम, ये सारे लोग जो मेरे को फॉलो करने वाले हैं, यहाँ तो इनमें से कई लोग नारसी मोदी जाने वाले हैं, SPJain जाने वाले हैं, IIM अहमदाबाद जाने वाले हैं, कई शायद सॉइल के स्टूडेंट्स बनेंगे आपके पास आके. And with your experience, 22 years in the industry, in academia, you spent so much time. Ma'am has done her own startup. What are the top 5 things आपको लगता है कि यार ये बच्चे अगर कर लें तो जिंदगी सेट हो जाएगी इनकी? And based on your experience of teaching thousands and thousands of students and having faculties who are from IIMs under you as well, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे मैम आप?
देखिए Rahul, it's very simple. Keep life very simple. Every day life has something to tell you. अपने आसपास देखें, there are small little things, observe close by, and there's always a lot of opportunity for business. Do some good things, and opportunities will give rise to business, will give rise to a lot of growth for yourself and everybody. I think looking around, being observant are the first little things I will tell my students.
Example दो मैम observant का, मतलब you are getting us ideas of Shark Tank now. मतलब business करना है तो observant रहो और देखो ढूंढो, and then opportunities से business खोलो. ये बताना चाह रहे हैं आप?
कोविड के टाइम आप लोगों ने कितने लोगों ने नए नए बिजनेस शुरू किए? किसी ने खाना डिलीवर किया, किसी ने खिचड़ी डिलीवर करी, किसी ने बोला है कि डाइट खाना देंगे, किसी ने बोला बुजुर्ग लोग 2 लोग घर में हैं तो उनके घर हम खाना पहुंचाएंगे. I think simple things, observe around you, there's always a need to fulfill. And उस need को आप कितने अच्छे से and smartly fulfill करोगे, that's your business opportunity.
Superb. और most of the B schools के अंदर थोड़ा सा entrepreneurship cell तो रहता ही रहता है, and there are courses on entrepreneurship. I'm sure Soil के अंदर भी होंगे, SPJain Bombay के अंदर is a part, and you learn a lot. So point number 1 is be observant, write down something, whatever you learn. And मैं तो बोलता हूँ B school is the best time to actually start up also. क्या बोलते हो आप? You sitting with good people.
Yes, there's nothing to lose, right? आप already एक 2 years की investment लेके ही आ रहे हो, तो why not amplify that investment with some practical experimentation, and if it clicks, you're on for a new course in life. And अगर आपको entrepreneurship side से कोई professor मिल जाए या फिर incubator मिल जाए या alumnus मिल जाए, तो nothing like it, you can ride on that highway.
And co-founder तुम्हें college के अंदर ही मिल सकता है. Like when I was in SPJain Bombay में मेरे 60 का batch था, 45 plus people मेरे साथ काम कर चुके थे in those 2 years of life, and yeah, trust me, I sure and got from pamphlet distribution से लेके सारे काम, from technology at that time, from Google AdWords उस समय आ रहे थे, we all worked. This is 2009 2010. So number 1, be observant, find an opportunity in those 2 years of life and try to open up a business if you guys can. That's point number 1. What's point number 2?
See, point number 2 is, every B school, bottom line is you need to work with groups and teams and contribute together. You can't live a solo life. So what best can you do to your team on every occasion, in every project? What is your plus craft that you're giving to your team? Why should the team say, I need you in my team? If you can do that and add value at every level to every project group or every club or society, you're doing the right thing in your B school time.
Super. Ma'am, जब हम group work करते हैं, boys and girls, people are joining the B school, they'll be all into the groups, will be working. There's a term, what we call it, free riders. Free riders, you know that they'll all be able to relate when they're entering into B school. Free rider होता है 5 लोगों का group है, उसके अंदर 2 या 1 बंदा कभी काम नहीं करता है, कभी काम नहीं करता है. You don't be that, and how you can contribute, how you can bring it that edge to the entire thing. That's going to be the key. If you're good in marketing, तो marketing वाला add करो. If you're good in, like ma'am spent a lot of time with the the HR programs like soil के अंदर 1 year program भी है, 2 year program की है. तो मैम knows that इनका field ये है. मैम ने consulting भी HR और leadership और OB वाले जो subjects होते हैं उसके अंदर ही बाकी कई बड़ी companies को help किया. So you plug in your thing for sure, and so that the team is proud of you, isn't it, ma'am?
Yes, absolutely. See, you make others happy about your work, and you know that you are a dependable, reliable group mate. Work will, amplify itself, and आप तो छा ही जाओगे.
Super.
Everybody knows you.
और जो लोग दिल्ली ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, से अगर आप दिल्ली वाला कॉलेज को जा रहे हो, एफएमएस जा रहे हो, एमटी गाजियाबाद जा रहे हो, या अगर सॉयल ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, तो हर कॉलेज के बिजनेस फेस्ट रहते हैं जहाँ पे आपको एक टीम लेके जानी पड़ती है, एंड यू कैन फाइंड अ बेस्ट टीम आल्सो. So inside the college. Number 2, ma'am, find a group, find a nice group and contribute to the group. What would be number 3 thing? What do you want to tell these students?
Okay, see, the biggest reason why I've heard students say I want to do an MBA, right from my times and before my times and today. Ma'am, हमें ना network cultivate करना है. So network cultivate करने के लिए आपको अपने जगह से उठना पड़ेगा, लोगों से बात करनी पड़ेगी. You have to open arms and find relationships, and then nurture good friendships and go out of your way to understand what helps me see the world from a bigger perspective, and who are those key people that I want to connect and learn and see how they grew. Like guest lectures होते हैं, तो जाइए, गेस्ट से हेलो करिए, बोलिए सर हम कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं, आप 1 घंटा हमें अपॉइंटमेंट दे दीजिए, एक मेंटर हम आपको बना लेंगे.
Right.
And colleges do offer a lot of big mentors and
corporate guys.
Yes.
I was reading the soil ka website also. You got some really big guys, Nitin Noria coming in and whatnot. Harvard ke dean also coming in. So yaar, opportunity banaiye, network kariye. Ma'am, network is not about exchanging cards, right? हम लोग visiting card इकट्ठे करते रहते हैं. It's not about that.
See, cards इकट्ठे करने से आपके पास कांटेक्ट आता है, बट लेकिन आपको ना अपना शेल से निकल के उनसे हेलो करना है बेसिक, एंड देन यू गो एंड टेल देम कि हम भी आपसे कुछ सीखना चाह रहे हैं.
Right.
And why will somebody आपको टाइम क्यों देंगे? Then you will also have to give something in return. That is when you need to have your richness to say, अच्छा, okay, it's nice to even talk with you for 15 minutes.
Super. अपना स्किल सेट लेके जाओ जब भी नेटवर्क करना है. सीधे जाके कार्ड मांग के, जॉब मांग के कोई नहीं देगा यार. ऐसे लोग बहुत होते हैं. But yeah, if they can mentor you, always, even on LinkedIn, always you ask for guidance from people. You never ask for a job, and third, things will fall in place. Great, ma'am. So point number 3 is network. Point number 4, चौथी चीज. People are listening to us, boys and girls. वीडियो को लाइक ठोक दीजिएगा और अपना मुझे बताइएगा आपको 5 पॉइंट में से बेस्ट कौन सा लगा, and we'll discuss in detail in the comment section as well. Yes, ma'am. Point number 4.
Point number 4, राहुल, मैं ना एक छोटी सी हैबिट लेके चलती थी, and I think I have seen many others do. Every day at the end of your day आपको थोड़ा सा गिनना पड़ेगा कि आज मैंने अपने आप में क्या चीज ऐड किया, and at the same time you will also have to check कि what do I add to my class when I go to my class. So every day you do something to add your value from X to X plus whatever.
Yeah.
And then say that एक layer मेरा बढ़ा है, and you take your value into your class, because every class feels my peer group should be good. Peer group तो खुद ही बनते हैं. We are peers to one another. So you make a rich peer group, add value to yourself. That will be my point number 4.
Great. तो मतलब economic time भी पढ़ के जाओ, वो भी पढ़ के जाओ. You can contribute in the class and always raise hands, and एक class participation होता है, उसके marks मिलते हैं BSchool के अंदर. So always be on that and keep learning and keep. I still remember, ma'am, I was called the Google boy of my class long back because मुझे वो Google AdSense AdWords बहुत ही excite करता था. मेरी हर PPT के अंदर I had like Google AdWords. तो मैंने कई लोगों को पढ़ाया भी to get through Google. That was long back. But yeah, so pick up the raising trade. Like आजकल मैम ये सब चल रहा है, blockchain, cryptocurrencies of the world. So learning all these things would be helpful. What's your recommendation?
Very much. See, you have आजकल के बच्चों के तो fingertips is on the news, on the nerves of the news. So, you also just not to see what's happening. You also have to use your thought process to see how is this happening and why is this impacting somebody. अब यूक्रेन में war है तो इंडिया में आलू प्याज महंगे हो रहे हैं. What is this relationship? Right. There's a supply chain impact that the world is going through. There's a petroleum impact that the world is going through. There's a dollar impact that the world is going through. कैसे आप इन चीजों को सोच के अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ डिस्कस करोगे, खुद की भी मतलब वैल्यू आप एनरिच करोगे, because you're able to put your thoughts in certain perspectives.
Super.
I would say you have to jog a little bit every day.
Little bit every day. So and smart people want to have smart people around them as well. अगर आप नहीं है तो कुछ सीख के आप उनसे बढ़ सकते हैं. कोई तुमसे ज्यादा आगे होगा, पीछे होगा, but being that set of good people, उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा every day पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Last point, ma'am. Number one point for a BSchool student who is entering a BSchool right now.
एक ही मंत्र होना चाहिए लाइफ की. BSchool की तो ठीक है, हो ही है. हैव फन, खूब मस्ती करो. आपको अगर क्लास बंक करनी है तो थोड़ी स्मार्टनेस उसमें भी लग जाएगी. Every time a notorious kid comes, we teachers, soft corners होते हैं हमारे भी. जो नटखट होते हैं क्लास में, वो बच्चे जरूर अच्छे लगते हैं, because that शरारत is because you're thinking something different. एक creativity sense होती है वैसे लोगों में जो who want to do something unusual. Have fun, have your quota of overload for the 2 years that you're investing in your PGDM. It's a one-time affair and enjoy it. Have a blast.
This is so amazing, ma'am. It's such a humbling experience interviewing you. A director of a B-school, lower their guards and then they talk it out openly. It's really amazing moment for all the students who are listening to us. So amazing. Boys and girls, hit in the like agar abhi tak like nahi hoga, for the ma'am, not for me, who opens it up and say, bhai, have fun zindagi ke andar. Director of a B-school, can you guys beat it? And but when it comes to ma'am, I know her. She's had her strict side as well. So only fun karoge to maza nahi aayega. She has been NCC cadet long back. This is so amazing. Boys and girls, drop in a comment. पांचों में से कौन सी चीज तुम घर लेके जाओगे आज और कौन सी चीज तुम इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे, और हम उसके अंदर डिस्कशन करते जाएंगे. Thank you so much for joining in, Vidya ma'am. It was lovely having you on board, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rahul. Wonderful.
Take care, ma'am. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.